Unraveling the Charm. Understanding Lovestruck. Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting English learning session. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a word that's as delightful as it is intense, Lovestruck. Stick around as we explore how this phrase can add a dash of romance to your English vocabulary. Lovestruck is an adjective that perfectly captures the feeling of being completely overwhelmed by love. It's that flutter in your heart when you see someone you're deeply attracted to, or the inability to think about anything else but the person who has stolen your heart. Imagine Cupid's arrow hitting its target. That's being lovestruck. The term combines two words, love and struck. Love needs no introduction, but struck is interesting. It comes from the verb to strike, which means to hit or affect someone suddenly. So, when put together, being lovestruck is like being hit by love unexpectedly. Let's put our word into action. You can say, when he saw her walk into the room, he was instantly lovestruck. This means that he was immediately and powerfully affected by his attraction to her. The phrase isn't just for personal moments. It's widely used in songs, movies, and literature to depict characters who are deeply in love. Lovestruck characters are often portrayed as dreamy, distracted, and completely caught up in their emotions. And that's a wrap on Lovestruck. I hope you're feeling a little more in love with the English language after this. Remember, English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about expressing the rich tapestry of human emotions. Until next time, keep learning and stay lovestruck with English.